Kate Middleton has been hailed a proper Duchess by Piers Morgan following her piano performance on the new festive program Royal Carols, Together at Christmas. The 39-year-old Duchess of Cambridge hosted the program, appearing alongside her husband Prince William for the special Royal Carol service at Westminster Abbey. But in an unexpected moment for the Duchess' mum of sorry, she also took to the stage herself and elegantly played the grand piano. With millions of viewers watching away at home, former GMB host Piers took to his social media to weigh in. A proper Duchess, he wrote simply, sharing a beautiful still of Kate smiling at the piano. Thrilled with the incredible opportunity, Tom tweeted his thanks to the Duchess after the stunning performance finished. What a night, I can't thank Kensington Royal enough for being a part of this performance, he gushed. This is dedicated to those who can't be here this Christmas, including my granddad. He definitely would have been bragging about this to his Matt down the pub. Meanwhile, Meghan Markle has been awarded the title of the most intelligent member of the UK royal family, according to a new study. Meghan Markle attended the prestigious Northwestern University in Illinois, where she graduated with a double major in theatre and international relations. A spokesman for Oxford Royal, who analyzed the list, said, "Life at Royal isn't always an easy job and involves a lot of dealing with extensive scrutiny and life in the public spotlight, and Meghan Markle's academic stress have equipped her perfectly for this role." While the Duke and Duchess of Sussex may have resigned from their role as working royals, they have captured the interest and attention of the Earl, and Meghan's desire to use her platform to raise awareness over serious world issues reflect her intelligence, analytical mind, and educational pedigree. This year, Harry and Meghan are expected to celebrate Christmas in Montecito, California with their two children, Archie and Lilibet. It will be their first Christmas a family of four, while Meghan's mother Doria Ragland, who lives in Los Angeles, is also likely to join them. During an interview in 2019 with journalist Kevin Maguire, Mr. Morgan claimed that the Sussexers knew Her Majesty with their festive plan. Speaking on Good Morning Britain in November that year, Mr. Morgan claimed, "It is a clear snub against the Queen." The Mail sent Drew Pearce added, "How many more Christmases is she going to have? Not many." Meanwhile, speaking on the tension between William and Harry, Mr. Maguire said, "There is a very personal dispute there and it's clearly wounded them." Mr. Morgan then began raging about the couple having discussed struggling with life in the royal family on a TV documentary filmed on a royal tour of South Africa. In the documentary, Harry and Meghan, on African Journey, Meghan admitted for the first time that her mental health was suffering in the royal spotlight, while Harry opened up about struggles in his relationship with his brother. However, the then Good Morning Britain host pointed out that Meghan and Harry's tour had them interacting with people suffering from poverty and violence, and argued that it may have been in poor taste to bring up their own problem. Mr. Morgan said, "Imagine going to make a documentary in South Africa and then turning the documentary into a heroism about your terrible life and making all the headlines about you. You have a palace full of servants, she is playing the media game." Mr. Morgan's co-anchor Susanna Reid tried to have her say on the issue and through her support behind the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. In response, Mr. Morgan claimed, "Why are you sticking up for the royals?